How to connect Phantom Wallet to Raydium. So before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. First of all, start by opening up your Phantom wallet, and let's say you want to swap some tokens onto your Phantom wallet. So what you need to do is to simply click on your browser on the bottom right corner. By default, this is going to show you Raydium, Jupiter, or any other like deck screener as well on your screen. Now if you want to search for it, you can simply click on it, and then you just need to search for Raydium. Now once you search for Raydium, you just gonna need to click on it, and once you click there, this is going to take you to this particular page where you just need to click on this connect wallet. Make sure to click on the Phantom, and then you're gonna need to click on the connect button, and there you have it. We have successfully connected our Raydium to our Phantom wallet. Now you can swap your coins whatever you want to go with, and then you can also select the slippage fee settings on the top right. So that's the way of how you can connect Phantom wallet to Raydium.